Here at C.A.R.S, we offer a free brake inspection, and if you want to bring it by, we can check the thickness of your rotors and your brake pads. We can check for any loose, worn, or damaged parts. We'll check the condition of your brake fluid and perform a road test. We offer lifetime warranty on our brake pads in-house, so when you need brakes again, bring it by. You just pay labor and we'll take care of your premium pads for you.
My name is Dennis Mendoza, owner-operator of C.A.R.S, Complete Auto Repair Services. We opened up our first location in spring off 2920 in Kuykendahl. You can contact us, go to our website, find us, find the location nearest you. We're here. We also have a 2-year, 24,000 mile nationwide warranty. So if you need any help, give us a call.